Welcome to dotcom Builders. In this video, I will share with you how to delete a contact in Brevo. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. So first, log into your Brevo account, then click on CRM. You will directly see the contacts in your account, and let's say I want to delete this account. Select it from here. You can select multiple ones or just one email, one contact. And to delete it, click on More Actions and select Delete Permanently. You are about to delete one selected contact. Deleting contact is permanent and cannot be undone. Type 1 to confirm. Let's type 1 and click on Delete. Deleting this contact, it can take a few minutes. The contact was called Tutorial Test. Let's refresh this page. And now the contact is deleted successfully. Now to make sure that my contact is deleted, let's look for, it was called tutorial test. Click on enter. And as you see, no contact is matching this name. And this says how to delete a contact in Brevo. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.